Hi, Angiras here, and I'll walk you through installation of Pobo on your Shopify store. In this video, we'll discuss what you will need before getting started. So let me first quickly install the app. And here it says Pobo hasn't been reviewed by Shopify because at this time we haven't submitted the app for the review. But by the time you will be viewing the screen, this warning won't be there. So let us quickly install the app. And here you can see that we are offering a 30-day free trial, after which you will be charged $15 per month. So let us approve the charge. And after the app is installed, this is the very first screen that you're going to see. So it is asking us to configure our current theme with the app. So let us hit on configure button. Now let us head straight to the FAQ. So please follow me along and open FAQ in front of your desktop or on your mobile device. So let us open FAQ. And the very first question reads, do you provide free app configuration? Yes, we do. In order to request free app configuration, you have to visit our help page, and you can visit it by clicking on this link. And then you have to click on I want to request free configurations and follow the on-screen instructions. And the second question is, what do I need before getting started? And this is what we are going to discuss in this video. So the very first step is register a Google Map API key, and that is number 6 in FAQ. So let us head straight to number 6 and expand this. And to set up a Google Map API key, follow the steps listed below. The first step is to create a billing account in Google Cloud Console. So let me hit on this link. And here you have to click create account. And the name is auto populated, so I'll keep it as it is, but you can change it to whatever name you desire. And here from the drop down, please remember that we have to select Google Maps platform. So it is auto selected at Google Clouds platform, but we want to change it to Google Maps platform. So let me click on this and hit continue. Here you have to submit and enable billing. So I'm not going to do this step because I have already a billing account enabled. But you can click on this submit and enable billing and follow the on-screen instructions, whatever they ask you in order to enable the billing account. And once it is all set, then visit back the FAQ and then we will follow the step 2. So the second step is to create a project in Google Cloud Console. So you can simply click on this link. And here you can see that it is auto selected on step number 2, but we want to go to step number 1 and go to the project selector page. And here we would want to create a project. So I'll click on this create project. And let me change it to Pobo Map API. You can change it to whatever name you desire. I'm going to name it Pobo Map API, and then I'll create. After you have created the project, go back to FAQ, and the third step is to enable 3 APIs. So let us click on this link. And first let us select the project for which we want to enable the APIs. In my case, this is Pobo Map API, the project I just created. And now we have to enable 3 APIs, number 1 being geocoding API. So here I see geocoding API. I'll hit on this and I'll click enable. And now let us enable the second API, which is Maps JavaScript API. So I see Map JavaScript API. I'll click on this and enable it. And the final API is Places API. So here I see Places API. I'll click on this and I'll enable it. and we have all the 3 APIs required enabled already. So now we have to go to step number 4, and it is now go to Google Cloud Map Platform credential page. So let us click on this link, and we have to select the project. In my case, it is Pobo Map API. And then we have to click on create credentials, and we have to create credentials for API key. So let us click on this. After this, we have our API key. So I'll copy mine and I'll save it for later use. So I'll close this. So I have it copied, and you also have to copy it and store it somewhere so that you always have it when we require it later. So now let's go back to FAQ and go to the step number 5, which is copy your API key and enter it on the credentials tab inside Pobo. So let us click on this link and open the credentials tab. And right now you can see the map isn't working properly. This page can't load Google Maps correctly because we need to copy our Google Map API key. So I'll copy mine here and I'll hit save. Now you can see the warning is gone and my map is working properly. So now let us go back to FAQ, and we have successfully finished step number 6. And now we were here, we were following this before getting started guide, and we successfully completed the step number 1. And now there is time for step number 2, which is remove any fast checkout button. And we want to remove any fast checkout button that we have. And what is a fast checkout button? Let me demonstrate quickly what is a fast checkout button. So here on my store, when I select a product and when I add it to the cart, you can see a cart slided in and I can see a checkout button here. So we want to disable any such checkout button. We do not want this checkout button here because we want users to be going to cart page, because that is where we are going to capture their delivery address that we need to send to Dunzo. So we do not want any checkout button here. So please remove this checkout button. If you're not sure how to do this, then you can request free app configuration and we'll take care of this and we'll remove it for you. So I'll remove it for mine later, but you have to remove this checkout button. And now there is step number 3, which is visit checkout settings here and make sure that accounts are optional is checked. So let us visit the checkout settings. And here you have to select accounts are optional. In my case, it is already selected. And if you don't have this selected, please select this option, accounts are optional. And with this, we come to the end of first video. In the next video, we are going to talk about app configuration. So see you later. Thank you for your time.